There is a bag sitting on a shelf at Walmart right now that costs about $2, and it will turn your tired, pale, yellowing lawn the deepest, richest green you have ever seen in your life. Not a $40 bag of fancy fertilizer with a name brand on it. Not a chemical treatment you have to spray and keep the children off of. A plain $2 bag that most people walk right past without a second look because they have no idea what it does. I have watched this turn a sad, struggling lawn dark green in under 2 weeks. And once you know what it is and how to use it, you will never spend $40 on a bag of lawn food again. But, and I will be honest with you the whole way through, because that is how the old folks did things, there is a right way and a wrong way to use this bag. Use it wrong, and you will burn your lawn brown and do real damage. Use it right, and it works like magic. I am going to tell you exactly which bag it is, exactly how to use it, and the one mistake that ruins everything, so stay with me. And near the end, I will give you the old folks' way of making this work even better for free, with something you would have thrown in the trash. My name is Caleb Zook. I am Amish, and I farm in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Let me tell you about that $2 bag. Before I tell you what is in the bag, let me tell you why your lawn is pale in the first place. Because once you understand it, you will see exactly why this bag works so fast. A green lawn is green for one reason: chlorophyll. That is the substance inside every blade of grass that captures sunlight and gives the grass its deep green color. When a lawn is rich with chlorophyll, it is dark green and thriving. When it runs short, the grass turns pale, then yellow, then sickly. And here is the thing most people never learn. The grass cannot make chlorophyll without one specific mineral in the soil. It is not nitrogen, though everyone fusses about nitrogen, the mineral that actually sits at the center of every molecule of chlorophyll. Holding it together is magnesium. Let me say that plainly, because it is the whole secret. Magnesium is the heart of the green. Without enough magnesium in the soil, your grass simply cannot build the chlorophyll it needs to be dark green, and no amount of regular fertilizer will fix it, because regular fertilizer does not give the grass the one mineral it is actually starving for. You can pour nitrogen on a magnesium-starved lawn all summer, and it will still look pale and tired. Most lawns in this country are quietly starved of magnesium, and nobody ever tells the homeowner. The soil gets depleted year after year. The magnesium washes out with the rain, and the grass goes pale, and the man at the store sells you another bag of nitrogen that was never going to fix the real problem. So what is that $2 bag that finally gives the grass its magnesium? Let me show you, and it is probably the last thing you would ever guess. Here it is. The $2 bag that turns a pale lawn dark green is a bag of Epsom salt. That is right. The same Epsom salt that grandmothers have soaked their tired feet in for 100 years. The same plain white bag sitting in the pharmacy aisle and the garden aisle at Walmart for about $2. Most people think it is only good for a sore back in the bathtub. The old folks knew better, because Epsom salt is not really a salt the way table salt is. Its real name is magnesium sulfate. It is made of two things, magnesium and sulfur, and both of them are exactly what a pale, struggling lawn is crying out for. The magnesium, as I just told you, is the heart of the chlorophyll. It is the mineral that lets the grass build that deep green color, and the sulfur is the helper. It works alongside the magnesium and helps the grass take up the nitrogen it already has in the soil far more efficiently. So the Epsom salt does two jobs at once. It hands the grass the magnesium it needs to turn green, and it helps the grass make better use of every other nutrient already in the ground. That is why it works so fast. You are not slowly feeding the lawn over months. You are handing it the one missing mineral it has been starving for, and the grass responds almost immediately. Pale blades darkening, tired patches greening up, the whole lawn deepening in color within a week or two. $2 from a bag most people walk right past. And it does what the $40 bag could not, because the $40 bag never addressed the real problem. But now comes the part you absolutely cannot skip, because this is where people ruin their lawns. There is a right way to put this down, and a wrong way that burns the grass brown. Let me show you the right way. Here is the mistake, and I want you to hear it before I give you the recipe, because it is the one that does real harm. People hear $2 bag turns your lawn green, and they go out and dump a thick pile of dry Epsom salt straight onto the grass in clumps. And what happens? Those concentrated piles of salt draw the moisture right out of the grass blades underneath them and burn the lawn brown in patches, the exact opposite of what you wanted. Then they decide the whole thing is nonsense. They did it wrong. Concentrated and clumped is the enemy. Spread out and dissolved is the secret. So here is the old folks' way, done right. The best way, the way that never burns and works the most evenly, is to dissolve it. Take about 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt and dissolve it fully in a gallon of water. Stir it until the water runs clear and not a grain is left sitting at the bottom. Then pour or spray that magnesium water evenly over the lawn, roughly a gallon for every square yard or so of grass you are treating. Because it is fully dissolved and spread thin, it soaks straight down to the roots and feeds the grass evenly, with no clumps, no burning, no patches. If you would rather spread it dry, and you can, then the rule is light and even. A light, even scattering of the granules across the lawn, never piled, never clumped, and then water it in thoroughly right away so it dissolves into the soil and never sits concentrated on a blade. Water it in is the key. Dry granules left sitting on the grass on a hot day are what cause the burning. Water them down into the soil immediately, and you are safe. Do this once a month through the growing season, not more. This is a tonic, not a daily feeding. And the old folks always practiced moderation. A little, spread thin, watered in, once a month. That is all your lawn needs to hold that deep green all season long. Pour on too much thinking more is better, and you tip the soil out of balance and do harm. Restraint is part of the recipe. Dissolve it or water it in. Spread it thin, once a month. That is the whole right way, and now your $2 bag turns the lawn green instead of brown. But the old folks rarely stopped at just one thing. They had a way of making this work even better, and combining it with something free. Let me show you that next. Here is how the old folks stretched that $2 bag even further and made the green even deeper. The Epsom salt gives the grass its magnesium, but magnesium works best when the soil underneath is alive and healthy, and the grass has everything else it needs too. So the old folks paired the Epsom salt with the things that feed the soil itself, and most of those things were free. The first free helper is your own grass clippings. When you mow, leave the clippings right where they fall instead of bagging them up and hauling them away. Those clippings break down within days and return their nitrogen straight back to the soil. And remember, the sulfur in your Epsom salt helps the grass take up that very nitrogen more efficiently. So the two work together. The clippings feed the nitrogen, the Epsom salt helps the grass use it and adds the magnesium, and the lawn goes greener than either could manage alone. You were throwing that free fertilizer in the trash. Stop. The second free helper is a thin top dressing of compost once or twice a year, raked gently into the lawn. Compost brings the soil back to life with living organisms and gentle, slow nutrients. And a living soil holds on to the magnesium and feeds the grass far better than dead, hard-packed dirt ever could. The Epsom salt gives the quick green. The compost builds the lasting health underneath it. So the full old folks way is simple. The $2 Epsom salt for the fast, deep green and the missing magnesium. Your free grass clippings left where they fall for the nitrogen. And a thin layer of compost to keep the soil alive and holding it all together. $2 and 2 free habits, and you have a darker, healthier lawn than the man pouring $40 bags onto dead soil down the street. One last honest word before I send you out to try it. Epsom salt works wonders on a lawn that is genuinely short on magnesium, and most are, but if your lawn is pale for some other reason entirely, the Epsom salt alone will not fix everything, and that is just the honest truth. The clippings in the compost are what cover the rest. Feed the whole soil, not just the one mineral, and you will never have a pale lawn again. So let me put the whole thing together, plain and simple. Your lawn is pale because it is starving for magnesium, the mineral at the very heart of the green. The one regular fertilizer never gives it. The fix is a $2 bag of Epsom salt from Walmart, which is really magnesium and sulfur, handing the grass exactly what it has been missing. You dissolve it in water or scatter it thin and water it in, never clumped, never piled, or it burns. You do it once a month, with restraint. And you pair it with your free grass clippings and a little compost to feed the whole soil, so the green is not just fast but lasting. $2. One plain white bag most people walk right past, and a lawn that goes the deepest green on the whole street. That is the difference between the old way and the modern way. The store wants to sell you a $40 bag every month that never fixes the real problem, because a lawn that stays pale is a lawn that keeps you coming back. The old folks reached for the $2 bag that addressed the actual cause, and they kept the other $38 in their pocket. There is no money in telling a man the fix costs $2 and sits next to the foot soak. There is a great deal of money in the heavy bag with the brand name on it. You can be the one who keeps the $38. So here is what I want you to do this week. Go to Walmart, find the plain bag of Epsom salt, $2, maybe 3. Dissolve 2 tablespoons in a gallon of water, and pour it over the palest, saddest patch of your lawn. Then leave it be, and watch what happens over the next week or two. I would wager that patch turns darker green than the parts you have been faithfully fertilizing all season. Tell me in the comments, how much have you been spending on lawn fertilizer, and has it ever given you the green you were hoping for? And did your mother or your grandmother use Epsom salt for something the rest of us have forgotten? Share it. Those old uses are exactly the kind of knowledge that disappears when nobody writes it down. I read every single comment. Next time, since we have been talking about feeding the lawn the cheap old way, I am going to show you the $2 bag that does the same kind of wonder for your garden vegetables. The one that makes tomatoes and peppers produce like you would not believe. It is the natural next step after today. Until then, find the bag, dissolve it thin, pour it on, and watch the green come back. That is how the old folks always did it.